Good day, my highly esteemed viewers. You are welcome back to class. In our last video, we talked about Waec chemistry practical alternative A. Remember, you have alternative A, you have alternative B, especially for schools that are very, very large, because of the number of students that are writing in, so they have to share it. So we do their own this week, so we do their own the following week. So that's why you have alternative A and B. The most important thing is that both of them are still done in May, June. So today we are going to have a look at another part of it, the alternative B part. Both of them were done this May, June. So this question, you can look at it. Question 3. The question is normally called unknown. Nobody knows where the question comes from. Cannot be predicted. You just have to read wide. Alternative B, they are usually not too tedious, and the answers are not very long. Alternative B. A solution of an acid was titrated with sodium hydroxide solution using methyl orange as the indicator. State 3 precautions that are necessary when carrying out the experiment. Let's just tackle it as we are reading them. 3 precautions that are necessary here. First of all, if you go through my video, one of the videos I made about how to carry out a perfect titration, you see the precautions there. So for the purpose of this question, the precautions are: 1, avoid leakage of burette and pipette. You must make sure they are not leaking by checking the tap very, very well. So that is first precaution. The second precaution is avoid error due to parallax. Don't let your eye be moving up and down. Then while the third precaution we take, you rinse the burette, a clean burette. I didn't say wash. Rinse a clean burette with the given solution to be used in there. That's the acid solution. And a clean pipette with the alkaline solution. That's the basic solution. Those are the 3 precautions. Then look at the second question. An aqueous solution of an acid was added to excess sodium triisocarbonate 4. This is the formula solution in a test tube. There was effervescence. The test tube became warm and a white precipitate was observed. State 3 inferences that could be drawn from this observation. So you just underline it and know the areas we concentrate on. There was effervescence, that's 1. The test tube became warm, that's 2. A white precipitate was formed. So because there's effervescence, remember we are working with sodium triisocarbonate 4, which is a triisocarbonate 4 salt. And we know that acid reacts with triisocarbonate 4 to liberate carbon 4 oxide, which turns lime water milky, as you already know in my previous video. So it means the solution was acidic. So you have acidic solution. The acid can be HCl solution, can be any of the acid, mineral acid, but it's acidic solution. That's why it's able to liberate carbon 4 oxide. That's why you have the rushing gas, which is also known as effervescence. So the first answer is acidic solution for this. The test tube became warm. When it's warm, it means it's releasing heat. That's why you can see that it's warm. If it's cold, it's absorbing heat. So because it's warm, it's exothermic. So the reaction is exothermic because it's giving out heat to the environment. That's why you feel that it's warm. The body is absorbing heat from it. Then the last one is that a white precipitate was formed. Remember, the salt that can bring about white precipitate can be zinc, can be aluminium. So those things, those salts, those metallic salts, they are able to produce white precipitate. So the answer to this one is zinc, aluminium. Sometimes yes, calcium can also produce it. So remember, if it is zinc, if the salt is zinc, they produce white gelatinous precipitate. And if it's aluminium too, it's saying white gelatinous precipitate. Only that zinc will be soluble in sodium hydroxide. And the other one is also soluble in sodium hydroxide, but use ammonium hydroxide to separate them. While the zinc salt is soluble in ammonium hydroxide, aluminum is not soluble. But they didn't ask for that. So it's just salt containing zinc or aluminum. Then consider the following salts: ammonium chloride, NH4Cl, PbSO4, and the rest. Select from the list the salt which will not readily dissolve in water. If you look at it, this one will not dissolve in water. So the first one, let's say we are done with that. Not dissolve in water, you have PbSO4. lead 2 tetrasulfate 6. Lead 2 tetrasulfate 6 do not dissolve in water. That's this. Produce effervescence. Look for the one that have carbon dioxide. I mean, triazocarbonate 4, not carbon dioxide, triazocarbonate 4, to produce effervescence. So this is the one that have it. So Roman figure 2 is NaHCO3. When it decomposes, it produces that effervescence. And that gas that is released during effervescence is carbon dioxide, CO2, with dilute mineral acid. It's either you heat it to produce it, or with dilute mineral acid such as HCl, it will liberate carbon dioxide. Then decompose on heating. This one will decompose on heating. This will also decompose on heating. So the one that decompose on heating is NaHCO3 and CuNO3 2. Both of them will decompose on heating. Dissolve in water to form alkaline solution. The one that dissolve in water to form alkaline solution is this sodium hydrogen triazocarbonate, NaHCO3, of this sodium. The last but not the least, sublime on heating. Everybody knows that now. Sublime on heating is sodium only ammonium chloride. Roman figure 5, NH4Cl. So it's the only one that can sublime when heated. Other substances that can also sublime have iodine, dry ice, that's solid carbon dioxide, naphthalene, and so on and so forth. But here, it's only ammonium chloride that can sublime. And you know that sublimation is a process whereby certain substances, when heated, change directly from the solid to the gaseous state without passing through the liquid state. So these are the answers to the questions. Waec 2024 Practical May June question 3, the one they normally called unknown, alternative B. Thank you very much for watching my video. Kindly help me to share this video, press the like button, and also subscribe. God bless you.